Indian Iron Games, who founded Indian powerlifting, Indian stick Indian weightlifting, Indian arm wrestling. We are the student of Kalika Prasad Dutta. Most of the Indian players always respect this person. Kalika Prasad Dutta, half Indian champion, more arm wrestling. With Paris Porandas. Now I request to felicitate Mr. Dinabantu Das, one of the leading sports person for Bengal, is the leading Indian sports person and technical official. Now I request to felicitate Mr. Olok Seduri. Here the band member is here. Mr. Dotto of SBI, please. Felicitate Mr. Dotto, Bank of India, you can help. Now I request to felicitate Mr. Nikhil Chandra De, one of the leading sports personality of Asia. Nikhil Chandra De. Nikhil Chandra De, please. Now I request to felicitate Mr. Satish Yadav, one of the senior most Indian Iron Games official and technical official, belongs to powerlifting, arm wrestling and stang lifting and weightlifting. Okay. Yes.
Really great. You are coming here.